Is the housing market about to shift in a big way? Oh yeah, the disclaimer first. This video is for informational purposes only and reflects my personal insights as a real estate coach and industry observer. It is not financial or investment advice. Now back to the opening question, is the housing market about to shift in a big way? I've been watching the real estate space closely, and I'm seeing signs that we may be entering what many are calling a new era of opportunity. Some call it a shift. Others refer to it as the golden era of home ownership. Whatever name you give it, one thing is clear. The market is changing and several key trends are converging right now. Hi, I'm Ken Gould. I'm a real estate coach and active agent based in the greater Phoenix metro area. I coach agents across the country, helping them simplify their business, build consistency, and stay focused on what matters most, especially during times of transition. Today, I want to walk you through a few of the trends I've been noticing and how they might impact buyers, sellers, and agents in the years ahead. One of the biggest things I'm seeing? There's strong interest from buyers, but not enough homes available. Inventory remains tight in many markets, and that imbalance between supply and demand is still putting pressure on the market in unexpected ways. In growing cities and regions, it's not uncommon to see multiple offers and quick sales, especially in areas with strong job growth and lifestyle appeal. At the same time, innovation in building is gaining traction. Modular homes and advanced construction methods are making it faster and more efficient to deliver new housing. I've even seen communities built in a matter of weeks instead of months. These are 3D printing homes, thanks to new technologies being adopted by forward-thinking developers. It's not mainstream yet, but it's something to watch. Financing tools are also evolving. Agents I coach are seeing buyers explore more flexible mortgage options, like adjustable terms, creative down payment strategies, and affordability-focused products from lenders. Every buyer's situation is different, but there's no question that the lending landscape has adapted to meet a wider range of needs in recent years. Now, I get asked this a lot. Is this another 2008? And my answer is always, this market looks very different. The conversations I'm having with homeowners today are not about panic. They're about staying put, holding equity, and planning for the long term. In my experience, people are much more financially secure this time around, and much more strategic in how they're thinking about real estate. We're not in a crash. We're in a transition. What we're seeing right now is a shift, a gap between the homes people want and the homes that are available. And for the agents and investors who are paying attention, that gap is where opportunity lives. I'm also seeing growth in new regions, areas just outside the major metro zones, where infrastructure, affordability, and economic activity are expanding. For example, an international chip manufacturer recently announced major investment in the Arizona and Texas areas. An European automaker in Charlotte, electric car maker to Chatham. This kind of developments tends to create jobs, and with jobs comes housing demand. So what's the opportunity? If you're a buyer or investor, this is a chance to think long term. If you're an agent, this is a moment to get clear, get organized, and be ready to lead. That's what I help agents do every single day. I coach them through shifting markets so they can build consistent business, grow their pipeline, and stay ahead of the curve. I've also created a free guide that breaks down the trends I'm tracking and how they may shape real estate for years to come. If you'd like a copy, just comment or DM me the word facts and I'll send it right over. Thanks for watching. If this gave you something to think about, drop a like or follow for more. And remember, the best time to prepare for growth is before it shows up.